Hello students, I am Chirojit Bhattacharjee, your drawing and painting teacher. Would like to welcome you all in our online drawing and painting classes of Lakshmi Singhania School, Kakroli, Rajasthan for class 12th A, B and C section. So dear student, in my previous video, I have discussed with you regarding the model question of Rajasthan School of Miniature Painting. Today, in this video, I'll show you previous year question paper of class 12th painting theory subject for 30 mark. So have a look on this question paper. I will upload this question paper in my Google Classroom, so you can download it from there, no problem. This question paper is divided into few section A, B, C, D, E, 5 section, and section A for short question. In section A there is 6 short question of 1 mark each question, total 6 mark. Look at the question. First question, mention the name of the painter of Rajasthan School of Miniature Painting included in your course of study. You have to identify which artist from this 4 option, which artist belong to Rajasthan School of Miniature Painting. You know the name of the artist. I'll be not telling you because in my last previous video I have told you regarding the important miniature artist of Rajasthan School of Miniature Painting. So if you go through the note or material which I have provided you, there I have written the name of the artist. Mention the title of the miniature painting. Next question, mention the title of the miniature painting of Mewar Sub School of Rajasthan School that is included in your course of study. So you have to identify the painting, which painting belong to the Mewar Sub School of Rajasthani Miniature Painting. So tell me the name of the painting which belong to Mewar Sub School. So these are the few questions. So section B, you have to answer any 3 question out of this 5-6 option, any 3 question within 30 word. Each question has 2 mark, total mark 6. Section B, 6 mark. You have to answer 3 question. Each question has 2 mark within 30 word. So see A, B and C. In A there is 2 option, in B there is 2 option, in C there is 4 option. So you have to answer any one of these two, any one of these two, any one of these 4. So total 3 question explanation you have to write down. They have asked you regarding the miniature painting and modern contemporary painting. Section C, 2 question in 100 word. Each question has 3 mark, total mark 6 in section C. These what they have. What do you like or dislike any of the following miniature painting from each part? Justify your answer with appropriate reason duly based on the aesthetic parameters. Based on the aesthetic parameter, why do you like? Suppose you are writing about this painting, you have to write down what is the reason behind that you like or dislike this painting. Like this, you have to answer this A or B. Anyone from A, these two, anyone from these two. You have to answer within 100 word. 100 word in each question has 3 mark. Section D, one question for 6 mark. For that they have given 3 option, A, B and C, 3 option. Out of these 3 you have to choose any one. In this question, what they have asked you, you have to identify any relevant painting based on this explanation. In the painting of Jamini Rai, like this explanation, you have to identify any painting of Jamini Rai which is influenced and from folk art. So in your course there is a painting of Jamini Rai, mother and child. They are indirectly asking you to write down about that painting, like this DP Roy Chaudhary K Lakshman. Section E, one question for 6 mark, that is appreciate any of the following miniature painting included in your course of study duly based on its name of the painter, medium and technique, subject matter, composition. So based on these 4 points, you have to explain any one of these two miniature painting within 200 word. So whenever you prepare or you write down any explanation of the any painting, miniature painting or anything, that time you remember and to write down the name of the painter, medium and technique, subject matter and composition. All these 4 points you have to remember. Those 4 points has to be mentioned in your explanation. Okay, my dear student, yeah, if you want this question paper, I will upload it in my Google Class. You can download it from there. And if you have any question, any doubt, you can ask me. I will be happy to answer you.